startups, SaaS, AI, and fancy funded companies. This is what everyone talks about, but in India, real businesses run on something else. They run on cash flow, credit, assets, and what we at Earthnova call the Jugadu business operating system. Today I'm going to show you how Indians are quietly printing 10 lakh rupees a month, doing businesses so boring that most people won't even call them a business. See, in India, scalable doesn't mean viral apps. Scalable means repeatable, predictable, cash-generating models with almost no modern tech, no branding, and no noise. This is the Jugadu playbook we study here at Earthnova. First, the humble tent house business. They buy 2 lakh worth of chairs, tents, stages, backdrops, a one-time investment. But those same assets get rented out for 20,000-30,000 rupees every wedding season. Each event generates 15 to 20,000 rupees revenue, and across a full season, 5 lakh rupees revenue per year. Profit margins around 50 to 60%. At Earthnova, we call this the asset recycling model. Build once and lease forever. Next, the scrap dealer. He buys metal, plastic, paper waste from local collectors at 20 rupees per kg, sells it to big recyclers at 24 rupees per kg. His profit margin 4 rupees per kg. It might not seem a lot, but let me show you the math. So let's say he rotates 10 tons a day. So 4 kgs into 10 tons, that comes out to 40,000 rupees per day profit. Crazy, right? And that is the scrap dealer you think wasn't earning a lot of money. Pure volume game, pure cash. No bad debt, no software, no sales funnels. And a fancy word for this is margin stacking on volume. Third, builders. They take 10% advance from buyers before construction. That is after they have paid for the entire land and gotten their RERA. They use this money to buy raw material, often on credit. Their entire 5 crore rupee project runs on customer advances plus supplier credit. Effectively, they're building a real estate project on other people's money. This is pure negative float leverage. One of the strongest desi cash flow games we study at Earthnova. Now, let's talk about the master move, the credit chain game. Fertilizer distributors get stock on 60-day credit from manufacturers, sell it to farmers on full cash today, which means for 60 days, they are sitting on free cash float. This is pure free working capital. You rotate this cash into multiple businesses before you even pay the supplier. And to be honest, even if you don't want to do that, you just put it in your bank and earn free interest rates. Everyone chases fancy business models, but real power sits with those who control the cash cycle, the credit chain, the asset life, and the float. And these models work in India because they fit the Indian psychology. Price sensitive, credit friendly, and outcome driven. This is exactly the kind of business psychology we break down here at Earthnova. So follow us along on our journey. Subscribe and press the bell notification and share this video with a friend जो तुम्हारे पीछे startup करके पड़ा रहता है. उसे बताओ असली businesses क्या होते हैं. Ciao.